Establishing guidelines and expectations. 1. Discuss your relationship structure. To make sure you and your partner understand the nature of the relationship, ask the crucial questions as soon as possible. Choose the type of relationship that both of you want. Are you engaged, dating, seeing each other, or any other relationship? You should specify whether the relationship is exclusive as well. 2. Together, work through your fears, uncertainties, and doubts. Examine both the interesting and challenging topics. Think of this as a time to openly discuss your feelings with one another. When you see each other in person, being aware of your partner's highs and lows while you are physically apart will help you to understand and be comfortable with their low moments. 3. Remain upbeat. Consider the advantages of being remote, such as having time to pursue your hobbies, interests, and professional goals. Recognize that being apart will force you both to communicate and express your feelings in more original ways. Consider this a chance to put your interpersonal and emotional intelligence to the test. 4. Be realistic in your expectations. Whether the relationship is local or remote, keep in mind that it requires effort and commitment from both parties. Expect roadblocks and detours if you and your spouse are willing to take these actions. These difficulties can only help your relationship get better in the long run if you can figure out how to overcome them. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.